Hey guys, Benny from 782 Motors, Classics, Lowriders and Muscle Cars. This time I'm going to show you this 1971 Lincoln Continental Mark III. This car is in beautiful condition, and it's not uncommon with some of these cars that you could find them where they've lived a life where they've basically been locked up in a garage. It's a 71, so this is right before the cusp of the fuel crisis in America. A lot of people that own these cars were wealthy, they put them in the shed, stopped using them, and it's not uncommon to find them in fantastic condition. And that's what this is. So 34,000 miles on the clock. It's a rolling lounge chair, original paint, trim's beautiful. All the touchy-feely bits that normally get wear don't show it. So 34,000 original miles on the clock appears to be the real deal. Judging by that in the engine bay, check this one out in detail on the website, www.782motors.com.au.